If you ever tried to record your screen with OBS and encountered a frustrating black screen when user account control the UAC prompt appear, you are not alone. This is a common issue that many users face, and it's often stemmed from OBS interaction with Windows security setting. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to fix this problem, enabling you to capture UAC prompt seamlessly. Whether you are creating tutorial or showcasing software installation, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in and get your recording back on track. So what you need to do here first, guys, let me show you a few things that make sure it's working or not. So right now, just pause, virus and thread, and then manage settings. Now whenever I turn it off, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You can see it's capturing perfectly. But the reason is I have already figured it out. Now the thing is, you need to click on the Windows icon, then search your user account control. User account control settings. Now you will get here the run command. Just click on that and we are here. By default you will see it's over here, so just slide it one step down and then click on OK. Otherwise it will not capture the entire screen, but make sure it affects your security system as well. So before doing any changes, make sure you need to know about those things. Right now by default, if I set it over here, you cannot capture actually the UAC settings. Like if I turn it off and see, now you cannot capture it. You will see a black screen, right? But when you slide it down again, user control settings, user account control settings, and then just one step down and then click on OK. Yes, now you can capture it. See? So guys, that's how it's work. And if you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. As you know guys, we are working on your suggested topics. Don't feel any hesitation. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.